Tracker weather starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenance.
Welcome back, everybody. Not too shabby out there today around the Helena area. You can see some of the breaks in the clouds that we've seen over the last few hours. Not a lot of wind in Helena. There was more wind around the plains here, but look at that, a little east wind at 8 miles per hour, and temperatures did eclipse 60 degrees. Also eclipsing 60 in Great Falls. Nice color in the sky right there. However, look at the wind gusts, 44 miles per hour within the last few minutes here. Up off of the Rocky Mountain front, we've got some wind speeds that are now up to about 72 miles per hour. This is pretty mild, especially for the end of October, but some changes are going to be headed our way as we get into the weekend, especially for Halloween here. There's the wind, really, right along the Rocky Mountain front and out across the central part of the state. Livingston looking pretty windy, Lewistown as well, but not too bad. Glasgow, Jordan is calm, Helena's very light, and Butte, Missoula, and Kalispell also a very light wind. But right here where you see that purple shade, that's where we could have some gusts up over 60, 70, maybe even 80 miles per hour through the overnight into tomorrow morning. That's where that high wind warning has been issued. And tomorrow will be a windy day for everybody, even the Helena Valley here. And there will also be a wind shift to the north as a cold front comes through. And that's pretty chilly air coming through. Not frigid, not Arctic, not even really that cold, but noticeably cooler than what we had today and what we will have tomorrow. Wind dies down on Friday night into Saturday morning. Probably still a breezy day out in eastern Montana here on the radar. There was some snow in the higher terrain along and west of the divide, but notice not seeing any blues or whites or even pinks. That's because of the snow levels going all the way up. I mean, maybe just the peaks up in Glacier looking at some snow right now. Warm fronts coming through. Cold fronts, right where you see that heavy rain, but notice it's not really moving very quickly to the east. It will take its time and sweep through the state as we get through tomorrow afternoon and evening. That's a big storm on the east coast after another big storm just moved on off the New England coast. So here's what will happen tonight. Rain all the way up even into the mountains. The rest of the state will be dry and windy. Heading into Friday morning, rain around East Glacier and Babb and St. Mary. That will change to snow by about shortly after noontime. Most of the state partly to mostly cloudy here through the afternoon, but 3, 4, 5 o'clock, here comes the front moving southward through the state. Scattered showers, maybe even an isolated rumble of thunder. But look at the switch over, the change to some snow here as we get into Friday night into Saturday morning. Rocky Mountain front could see a coating up to a couple inches, even Great Falls maybe a little coating by the time we get into Saturday morning. But Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, most of the state seeing that snow and the clouds move on out. Heavy snow up there around the East Glacier area here. Probably many glacier picking up maybe more than a foot of snow as we go through Friday night into Saturday, and a little light coating of snow heading into the north central part of the state. Warm tonight, 40s and 50s for most of the state. Heading into tomorrow, it starts out warm and windy, 60s, maybe even a few 70s here. But by the evening, the front goes through. We'll have showers and a little mix of rain and snow. The wind switching direction, and certainly much colder by the time we get into Friday night. And then Saturday morning, still a little light snow around. By the afternoon, though, clouds will break up. We'll have high temperatures in the 30s and the 40s. Not again Arctic cold, but much colder than what we've experienced so far this fall. Halloween on Sunday. Not too bad. A little chilly out there, especially in the evening with temperatures dropping through the 20s. Cool air continues into Monday, 30s and 40s for a lot of the state. Here's the 7-day forecast for Helena. Almost 70 tomorrow. Showers through the evening hours, some flakes of snow Friday night into Saturday. A chilly start early next week, the first few days of November, but we're back up into the 50s for most of the state as we get into the middle of next week.